In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to temporarily disable Windows Defender on Windows 11. Before we start, a quick reminder. Windows Defender is your built-in antivirus and security tool on Windows 11. Disabling it, even for a short time, can make your system more vulnerable to threats. Only turn it off if you really need to. For example, to install a trusted program that Windows keeps blocking. And once you're done, make sure to turn it back on. Let's begin by opening the main security settings. On your keyboard, press the Windows key, or click the Start button on your taskbar. In the search bar, type Windows Security. When you see the Windows Security app appear in the results, click on it to open it. Inside Windows Security, you'll see several protection areas. Look for the one called Virus and Threat Protection, and click on it. This is where you control most of the antivirus-related features. On the Virus and Threat Protection page, scroll down until you see a section called Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Under that, click on Manage Settings. This will open a detailed list of options that control how real-time protection works on your device. At the top of these settings, you'll see an option labeled Real-Time Protection. This is the feature that actively scans files and apps as you open or download them. To temporarily disable Windows Defender, toggle this switch from on to off. When you do this, Windows may show a confirmation message or a warning that your device might be vulnerable. Confirm that you want to proceed. Once confirmed, real-time protection will be turned off. You'll usually see a notification in the Windows Security app or in the notification area, letting you know that your device is now at risk because protection is turned off. While protection is disabled, be very careful about what you download, install, or open. Avoid visiting unknown websites or running untrusted files during this time. It's best to perform only the specific task that required you to turn Defender off, and nothing else. One important thing to know is that Windows will often turn real-time protection back on automatically after some time, or after a restart. If you want to enable it sooner, simply return to the same Manage Settings page and toggle real-time protection back to on. And that's it. You've temporarily disabled Windows Defender on Windows 11, and you know how to turn it back on when you're finished.